Hey guys, so in this series, we will be discussing what is TLS. TLS stands for Transport Layer Security. So, where it is used, why do we need it, how is TLS different from SSL? So, SSL is Secure Socket Layer. Then we will be discussing what is traditional TLS, and then we will see the difference between the traditional TLS and the mutual TLS. The next thing is that we're going to cover is what are the 12 steps in which mutual TLS can be achieved. And then we will be seeing the implementation of a two-way SSL with Spring Boot using Java. So these are the things that we are going to cover in this series, and there will be a detailed explanation there, right? So transport layer security is basically used to secure having a secure communication over a network. So basically, network is basically the internet here. So everything that you send, for example, you send an email, right? So for that you need an internet to be connected to, right? Then only you can send an email, right, from a sender to a recipient, right? So if you want to be this communication that you are sending, like from you wanted to send an email from sender to receiver, you wanted this communication to be secure. So for that you need this TLS, that is transport layer security. So we will be covering with this series in examples, and we will be seeing how it is done, right?